You guys ready? We're going to practice a few more words today from the corn card. Remember, the corn card has OAR for or, OR, which we practiced yesterday, ORE, and then I added my own OUR and OOR. I have my special corn card shirt on today. The spellings on my shirt are just the ones from the card, OAR, OR, and ORE. But we will practice the others also. So let me show you my shirt. There's our spellings. And for my first one, I have storm. It's my storm cloud. I have ORE. I have the word core. That's the apple core, the part that you don't eat. And then, where's the other one? Down the bottom. Oh, the lion says roar, spelled OAR. That's my shirt for the week. And let me see. Remember, you're either going to bring a whiteboard or you can use paper and crayons or pencil if you want. We're going to just do 4 words today. These were yesterday's words, but you want to keep practicing these words, so you want to have them saved somehow. So a picture of your whiteboard, or if you use paper, then you can save the paper to practice the words. So I'm going to erase. What were they? Fork, short, cord. That doesn't say fan. That was the cord. And it's not sun. Morning when the sun comes up. So let me erase yesterday, and I'm going to set it up the same way as yesterday, but today we're going to practice a different spelling. So whiteboard. So whether you're using pencil or whiteboard, we're going to write today's spelling, which will be ORE. That's the one we'll use for all of our words today. So that's going to be at the top. And just 4 words. Easy peasy. Down. Across. We made writing lines for our words and then leave a space for the picture. And using ORE, I want you to try really hard to spell the word store. Or. You need all 3 letters. Try and spell store. I have to wear a mask when I go to the store. To help stop spreading the coronavirus. Do you have STORE for store? Excellent. So, you know what? I'm going to make a real simple picture. I go to this store a lot. Is that the Target symbol? Did I make it correctly? I go to Target all the time and I forget how to make the Target symbol. I think that's right, except it's usually red and white. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's do the word more. Or more. See if you can spell more. Or. Do you have M? ORE is today's or spelling. More. So, let me see. I think I will draw an ice cream cone over here. Ice cream cone over here. And this one is going to have 1 scoop of ice cream. But this one is going to have more. This one is going to have 3 scoops of ice cream. This one has more ice cream. You draw whatever picture you like for more. I'm going to keep going. If you need to come back later to add more to your pictures, that's okay. But the important thing I want to do with you are the words. You can go back and make your pictures more detailed and beautiful if you want to. But let's go to the next word. The next word is going to be, pay attention to this word, shore. That does not mean, would you like more ice cream? Sure. No, not that one. We're spelling shore. It is the sandy land that is next to either the ocean or a really big lake. You're going to go down to the seashore. So we're going to start with sh or shore. Sh or. Today's words should have S-H-O-R-E. So again, this might be the ocean or a big lake. There's the water, but there's the land right next to it. So this is where the boat will be. And over here is where I have my pail and my shovel, because this is the sandy part. Next to the ocean is the shore. That's the shore. That's the ocean. Last word for today is on my shirt, but you can't see it. So try your best to spell the word core. You don't want to eat the apple core because all the seeds are in there. So, and the stem, you don't want to eat the stem. Try and spell core using today's spelling pattern, O-R-E. K. Or core. C-O-R-E. And my apple core, so I usually draw the core where the bite marks would be because I ate that, all the flesh around it, and there's bite marks on that part. But then you don't eat the top. You don't eat the bottom. The stem would be up here. This part is still red. It still has some skin on it. This part's all white. You might even see a seed in there if you eat so much of that apple. So, well, that was a little wiggly of a core. That core is about to fall over, isn't it? You draw your apple core. And your pictures don't have to look like mine. You can make pictures that help you remember the word. And then yesterday, I said practice these words so that you can remember which spelling to use. And I said maybe you could use some sidewalk chalk and go practice writing them outside. Well, today I told you I would show you some other examples. So guess what? I borrowed my husband's shaving cream. See if you could borrow some from somebody. I only borrowed a little bit. You don't need a lot. And then I got out a cookie sheet. I didn't have to borrow it. It was mine, but you would have to probably ask your family if you could borrow it. And let me show you what I did. So I put a little bit. I actually put too much in at first and I had to start all over. Don't put a lot in. Put a little bit of shaving cream in and then I'm going to get all messy, but it's fun. I'm going to smear it all around. Okay. And now I'm going to practice. Let me see. I'm going to rinse my hand off because I had to smear it around. So you'll actually need a little towel or some paper towels with you to clean your hands. And in the end, it's just kind of like soap. So you'll just rinse off your hands and you'll have extra clean hands. So today's words, let me see. I'm just going to practice a short one for you. I'm going to practice core. C-O-R-E. And that's why you don't want too much shaving cream on there because then there, core. And then when you're done with that one, you're just going to smear it off and practice another word. Again, you're going to have to have a towel handy because every time I clean it, probably should pick only 2 fingers to clean it with. Then you only have to clean off 2 fingers and then you can write another word. But don't do any of that unless your family says it's okay. All right? But it's a fun way to practice your words if your family says it's okay. Okay, I gotta go wash my hands and have fun. Practice your words. Practice some more tomorrow. Bye.